3 and 4th, and choose any open stand with 1 star per person. That star guarantees you a seat on board the next tram. Once again, continue walking all the way down the car.
Supercharged! Super family! Where's your road? Family!
I can't tell if these are
Family!
It's good to have you all here. Let's get
I wouldn't be so sure of that.
Knock off! Keep your glasses off out of respect. Oh no, they hurt us! I got the bull by the horn!
Now, y'all, that is going to conclude our movie studio tour. We're gonna get you. Hold on. What? Yes? Yeah, one sec. Go ahead.
Here we go!
What's going on?
It's the guy from Fortnite! Who I am, the final boss!
I'm the reason bad guys use a nightlight. I'm the reason the boogeyman begs his mama to look under his bed. And I'm the reason he just lost control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago...
Yeah! Woo!
Let me clue you in on 2 things, sweet cheeks.
One,
There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. And 2, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out.
I'm pausing it just to mess you guys up. That's all I got.
He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that... Whenever you feel like it, don't vehicle to a safe location until we have the situation under control. Until then, I want everybody to stay calm. Enjoy the ride.
Family!
We want to help the family. So please remain seated. Arms and legs in the vehicle. Hold on tight to your personal belongings. Let's see what Owen has to say.
Hobbs access to stash you. Sean for a while. Brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone can give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
Alrighty, well, we gotta take this real serious now. Real serious. So please remain seated, arms and legs in the vehicle, no camera flashes. We want to make sure this bad guy, Shaw, can't find us hiding in here. Now we're gonna move into this next bay. I don't expect anyone to be here since we're pretty late in the, never mind, massive party. Blend in with the crowd, blend in, blend in.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. Yeah! Roman Pierce. Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Neil, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got you. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work. Otherwise, we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Never mind the whole operation.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone? See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to go.
Signet, hold on tight. Things can get pretty fast, pretty quick.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you won't get tried!
This is our truck.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You can be the witness to it or we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Call it the...
Way to go, Letty.
Profiling of the missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Bridge! And this obstruction!
Hit the nitrous.
Of all time. That is the final, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear one more thing from the crew.
You know it's crazy out there. You guys ride hard.
We got through it. Y'all held us down. Appreciate it.
Oh my goodness.
They said the bigger the family, the stronger it is.
Family! We're family! Family! Yeah!
All right, part of the crew. That is Fast and Furious Supercharged.
Yeah, let's go one more time!
Now, be sure to keep up with all the information of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster opening up next year. Follow our website, UniversalStudiosHollywood.com, and our social media accounts at Uni Studios. But that concludes our movie studio tour, and to get you all back at the theme park, thank you all so much for coming out this afternoon to enjoy a movie studio tour and the final Fast and Furious Supercharged ride. Now, if you'd like to become an annual pass holder and aren't already, take your ticket up to the Universal box on this big tall tower to the center of the park. They'll show you how to extend your ticket into an annual pass to be able to join us here again and again. Also, be sure to check out Fan Fest Nights. Brand new event we're doing in April and May. Gives us the best of the worlds of fantasy, anime, gaming, and sci-fi all in one location. More detailed information on that also available on our website. We're going to get you back in the studio plaza here in just a moment. In the meantime, sit back, relax, as we listen to some tunes from Universal movies over the years. Okay, now we will.
Right now it is.
I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I